In this video, I'm gonna tell you how I escaped my 9-to-5 and became my own boss, and as a single mom. I'm gonna tell you exactly what I did, and I'm gonna tell you how you can do it way easier and way faster. Most videos don't tell you what you really need to know. I'm spilling the beans in this video. And if you like what I tell you, I even have something free that you can take, and the link's down. It's probably the first link in the description, but don't do it now. Also, most people won't tell you this either, but as soon as you click on the link, then yes, I'm gonna get your name and your email address. I'm gonna tell you more about how you can do that as well. Wait to the end, and then if you get anything out of this video, like the video. I've been working from home for over 5 years, and I love it. I can go outside and work in my flower bed if I want to. I get to spend time with my daughter because I'm home with her. So if you want to be able to do the same, listen up. Number one, first things first, don't quit your 9-to-5 job. You're going to need it. In my case, if you know my story, I was in IT. I was a senior network engineer, and my whole entire department laid off. And I was in a situation, I had just bought a house and was trying to buy another house. Well, I did it the right way. I bought the house, mine sold, but on closing day at 5 o'clock, the time they closed, they walked out on me. So for almost a year, I had to pay for 2 houses, and they were both very expensive payments. And I had no job. Now, at the time, me and my mom did the math, and we were like, there's no way. I was on unemployment that I could pay it. Still to this day, I just say God paid it. God paid it, But I had started affiliate marketing, and I'm so glad I did. That's what I do. I love affiliate marketing. I help people make money online, and I found a course that was on affiliate marketing, and that's how I got started. Back to that later. Okay, story time. Probably wondering why is she spilling the beans? That's because every day I'm reminded how I can help somebody else. And as a Christian, it is my job to help as many people as I can with what I know. We all are able to do something that we know, that we've learned, that we just have the skill for. And I need to help other people. And I say this a lot. I want to help other people the way I never got the help. Because when I first started in this online world, I was so glad I did because I got laid off. But I knew nothing. I knew no one. So I had to learn everything the hard way. And I don't want you to have to do that. And every day there's a reminder why. Just like today, I went to the bank and I was excited about something. And I showed her a video, and she was like, oh, this is so cool. I'm going to remember this video, and wrote the video down and everything. And I'm like, you know what? I was talking to her, and I was helping her and telling her what she needed to do. And I'm like, oh my gosh, that's just one person. And imagine, if I help change her life, and then she goes and she helps somebody else, and that person helps somebody else, and on and on and on. It's just like what I was first asked, everybody that you get into a program or anything is like, what's your goal? And everybody's like, I want to make 10K a month. Well, mine was like, I want to help 10,000 people. And it shocked them. They were like, 10,000 people? Really? And I'm like, you just wait. Let's get back with it. Number 2 would be write it down. Write down where you want to be in 5 years, 10 years, 1 year, 3 months, 1 month. Take a pen, write it down. It's part of mindset. And part of it, you need to write it down. I wrote down in the back of my Bible, like years ago, and I was working at Brahms. And I had wrote down that it was like in 5 years or in 3 years, I was going to have like a brand new ready clip. And at the time I was driving like crap. Okay. And you know what? I got the red Eclipse. I remember it was 3 or 5 years, but the exact same time that I wrote down and I said I was going to get it. And you know what? I got it. I also said and told everybody, hey, you know what? 5 years from now, because when I first started, I got a lot of crap for some people. And I'm like, you just wait. I will still be doing this, and I'll be working from home in 5 years. 5 years. Well, guess what? It's over 5 years. And I said I would be, and I am. I've been in several programs, and I said, I was like, especially 2 awards, because they were huge. And I was like, I'm going to win that. Well, actually not winning, it was a contest. But I thought, I'm going to get that. I'm going to get it. Well, I got it. I got both of the ones that I said that I was going to get. And then I was in a contest. I won 2 contests, but there was one, and it was huge. And I was up against like some huge marketers. And I won. They picked, I think it was like 3 people. And for the rest of the time, I got a percentage where it was a lot better than everybody else. And they had sent me like a free mic. And anyways, it was really, really cool. But, you know, who would have thought that I would have been able to do that? And I said I would, and I did it. So write down where you want to be, what you want to do, and let's make it happen. Number 3 is invest in yourself, whether it's time or money. And yes, eventually, no matter what you do, what niche you choose, you will have to spend some money. You'll have to educate yourself, whether it's in courses, programs, software. But then again, who's more important than yourself? If you're thinking, my kids, Shelly, well, do it for your kids. And then there's time. This is the hardest one for me, especially as a single mom. So if you want to escape the matrix, you got to escape your habits. I can really help you in this area because a lot of people say, I don't have time. And I'm one of those that is still trying to break the habit. Because if you say you're not going to have time to do something, or you don't have time to do it, then you're not going to. You need to say that you have the time and then make the time. Okay, when I had my 9 to 5, I worked a lot of hours. I had a real important job and I was on call 24/7. So what I did is I filmed. I did a lot of filming and stuff when I first woke up. You know, with my kid, without my kid, I did my filming. And then when I had lunch, I would go to the car, or if everybody went out to eat and everything, I'm like, you know what? I'm staying here. I'm working on my course. I bought an affiliate marketing course, and it had all kinds of different sections in it. More on that later. But I did everything I could to pack in that extra time to learn what I needed to learn. Now, at the time, I did not know what I was doing, but I was trying my best. And then when I got home, I would hurry up and I would, make dinner, do everything. And as soon as I had my daughter to sleep, that I was back at work again. Still to this day, if I have an hour even or 30 minutes, I'll work at night, and then I'll go to bed. But I pick all of the time that I can, and you can too. And if you watch TV at night, then sacrifice yourself from that. Read a book, educate yourself, watch a video. And if you're like, well, man, I spend time, with my family watching TV or something like that, because I understand, me and my daughter, if anything, we'll limit ourselves. We'll be like, okay, let's sit down and we'll watch an hour show. And then as soon as that's up, then we're like, okay, that was our break. And, sometimes, it's okay to have a break. But as long as you then just get started and get back to it, it's all worth it in the end. Now, in the beginning, of course, it's hard because it's something new. It's something that you start. Then once you got it, you got it. Number 4, this is the most important one. Start. Okay. You found something that you're interested in. You have a side hustle and we're going to say it's a course. First thing I did is I bought a course. Mine was affiliate marketing. So it had all kinds. This thing was packed full of everything from, learning all kinds of stuff to do with social media. My favorite was YouTube. So I got really into the whole YouTube part, all kinds of stuff to do with social media. My favorite was YouTube. So I got really into the whole YouTube. I think you would do really good in YouTube doing filming instead of writing. And so I went with it. But there was so much in this course. But what I didn't do is I didn't implement. So the main thing that you need to do is you need to implement it. And it can be like I have a free course. It could be a free course. It could be something just on YouTube. It could be something that you're just testing or trying out. Don't wait for it to be perfect. It's not. It's never going to be perfect. So just start it. Let's go with you got a course. The very beginning says, go build a website. Okay. It said, then you need to create a funnel. Then you need to learn and watch how to create a funnel. So don't go through everything, because that's what I did. And then I was like, oh, now I got to go back because you can't remember everything. And and then just implement it. Just do it. Now, there's all kinds of side hustles to choose. So the one thing that you do need to be careful of is shiny object syndrome. So you're like, you found this and you found that. And you know what? If you found something and you have questions about it, just ask me, because I'm telling you, I've probably done it or tried it. So I ended up doing affiliate marketing. And I keep saying affiliate marketing because this is my favorite thing to do. If you don't know what that is, all affiliate marketing is you sell something of someone else's and you get a percentage of it. And it can be physical products like this couch. I love this couch. I actually did a review of this couch on Amazon. It's so comfortable. I wanted to sit here and film it because I work from home. Might as well sit here and be comfy. And you wanted to buy this sofa couch sectional, then the link is in the description. You can go click on it. You can go to Amazon and you can watch the video that I did on it. Okay, you see how I did that? Okay, that's affiliate marketing. You know, it's just with using the example of a physical product, which I will go ahead and put it down in the description. I do love the couch. And my favorite actually is I do physical products as well, but I love digital products because they sell over and over and over again. And they help so many people. The very first course that I did, my coach, that's how he taught it. He said, you know, affiliate marketing is a win-win because you're helping somebody else by telling them, and usually it's like a course that you're in or a product that you have or that you like toothpaste. Say I've used some toothpaste that I really like it. It makes my teeth white. Then I'm going to tell a friend about it and tell them to buy it. So it helps them and then it helps me too because I'm making money off of it, but I'm also helping someone else. So I love that part about affiliate marketing because then I get to help somebody. You know, just like I used the example earlier, you know, if I'm talking to somebody and I get to share and change their life and help them, then that's amazing. It's a great feeling. And then if they turn around and do the same thing, I mean, you see where I'm going? Just imagine. If you're stuck on what to promote, let's talk about that for a second. A lot of people don't tell you this, but if you see people promoting software or promoting courses, one of the main reasons is because, for one, you know, the feeling of you get to help somebody. But two, if you go and take a course or you're in a program. Now, if you like it, especially if you're new, and if you like it and you're learning stuff from it, then it's easy to then just turn around and promote the course because a lot of times people will tell you, you know, you go to Amazon and be an affiliate for Amazon. But if you're an actual affiliate, then you don't really make a percentage unless you're an Amazon influencer. And that's a whole different story. I have other videos on that on my channel. Then they'll tell you to go to ClickBank, which is fine. I tell a lot of people that they can use ClickBank because the percentages, can be between 20 and 60%. But, you can find a bunch of stuff on there that's easy and that you can promote the course because a lot of times people will tell you, you go to Amazon, find a bunch of stuff on there that's easy and that you can promote. But what people don't tell you is it's better to promote something that is private, like, a private course, a private program, something like that. They usually pay better. And to me, I think it's easy to promote courses, not just because they help people, but while you're in the program or the course, it makes it easier to learn how to market. Because if you're a beginner, you need to learn how to market. And what better way than to market something that you're actually learning? Because then you can help other people. And if you're thinking, Shelly, but I don't know anything, I'm not that smart. If you learn something, like you just learned something today from me, by the way, don't forget to click the like, but then you can turn around and be like, hey guys, I just learned this. So that means you're one step ahead of somebody else. So it makes it easier in the beginning to promote a course or promote something that you're doing or learning about because you're in it and it's actually teaching you to learn how to market. And once you learn how to market, then the sky really is the limit. Seriously. Number 5 is start helping people. Seriously, all you gotta do is help someone. You can message them. You can go into groups. You can get into affiliate marketing groups, but get in other groups and ask questions And when people are in those groups and they're asking questions, then you can even help answer them. And you will develop friendships. And as you're developing these friendships while you're networking, then you can team up with them and help do things together. For example, I think there was like 7 of us that was in the very beginning, and we were all doing YouTube. So we got in our own group and would help each other. We'd watch everybody's YouTube videos and comment and everything like that. I promise it works. All right, anything that you do, being honest, you're gonna need content, you're gonna need a funnel, and you're going to need to build a list. And that requires software, but it's okay. I've got you. I have some free software that you can use. You want to build a trusted relationship with your audience. So with your content, I suggest you use your face. Now, I have tons of videos on this channel where you don't have to use your face. But like I was telling someone the other day, I'm like, you know what? If you can, she really wasn't wanting to use her face. And I'm like, you do some where you do use your face and do some where you don't. A little mix in between. But I mean, you don't even have to do video. You know, I knew a guy that he was in IT and he made 6 figures literally just writing blogs. That's all he did. He said he didn't want to be on camera, but he liked to write. So he just wrote articles and he killed it. Okay, I told you you needed a funnel and you needed a list. I'll go ahead and I'll put the software there's called System.io. It's free and you can get started with it and create a funnel. What a funnel is literally the first thing that you do, just like I told you, when you first click on my link, it's going to take you to where you can put your name and email addresses. Then I'm going to be able to then send you stuff. I'll send you some cool stuff on my email list. So every person that clicks on that and gives me their name, email address, that's building my list. That's the most important thing that you can do in affiliate marketing. Is you need a list because that's your business, that's your list, that's your people, and you want people to trust you. So in your funnel, it's best to have a picture of yourself or a video or something like that as well. So basically a funnel is something that you build that gets people's attention, and then usually on the second page, it's like a thank you page, and it has, you know, the thing that you're going to get. Like mine's a lead magnet, so I'm giving you a free course. You can see, you just click on it and then it takes you to my course. And mine's really cool too because as soon as you get in, I have the second part where it automatically will email you and you can get in. And a lot of other funnels, especially like affiliate marketing funnels, then the second page takes you to the program or whatever it is that you're selling. Now, I told you I do have a free course. Link it should be the first link in the description. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe so every time that I have a video come out, you're going to be notified. And get started, the first link in the description. And if you want to keep going, go ahead and watch the next video coming up.